Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Corsicana I-45, an IHG hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a non-smoking rooms. This hotel is just off I-45 and next door to the Russell Stover Candy Factory. It offers a buffet breakfast every morning and features an indoor pool and jacuzzi. Rooms at Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Corsicana I-45 have a flat-screen TV and Wi-Fi. Other room amenities include a microwave and a refrigerator. The Corsicana Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites has a modern fitness center. There is also an on-site business center, as well as ample space for meetings and banquets. Holiday Inn Corsicana is 3 miles from historic Corsicana's downtown shopping district. Navarro College is a 12-minute drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.